Hi guys, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. Sometimes I got message from foreign subscriber and they want to learn Korean with me. But I have no confidence myself to teach the Korean. I'm Korean, I can speak in Korean, but teaching the Korean is another. I cannot explain the Korean grammar thing or how to learn the Korean language. But later on, I just realized that wait, my channel is a story about the Korean culture to communicate to abroad culture. But how can I communicate even if I don't know about the language? In my experience, as my English skill getting improved, then I can understand their culture easier. I just decided that I have to start a video about Korean language. I want to call this playlist Sophie's Urban Dictionary, but I don't know whether can I use this or not because of the copyright. I'll let you know just one word in one single video and explaining not only how to use this word in formal way but also informal way. I think every language has this example. One verb has really various meaning depending how to use it, the sentence. So I'll let you know many meaning of one verb depending how it used through many examples. Today's word is 때리다, which means hit in English. And literally used when it means hit, like 친구 때리지 마. It means don't hit your friend. 너 걔 때렸어? Did you hit him? 학생들 때리지 마세요. Don't hit your students. Yeah, it means literally hit. But we're using a different way. I'll let you know informal style. Korean using this verb informal way like this. 골 때리다. 골 means head, inside of head. The spot that you feel pain when you get headache. Yeah, that's the 골. The 골 때린다 means it hit my brain, it hit my head. So it using at the unexpected, ridiculous acting or something. Did you see the Lady Gaga's costume last awards? She wrote a meat. It's really 골 때려. When teachers showed a question to their students like this, if Michael have 5 apples and he give 3 to Susie, then how many apples Michael have? Then students say, I don't care about the Michael's apple. That's the Michael's. Why should I know about the Michael's apple? Then we said, oh, she's a 골 때려. Acting like crazy, silly, or ridiculous, unexpected.
골 때려, 골 때려. 완전 골 때려, 완전 골 때려.
멍 때리다. 멍 we use as a noun, but actually it's a formation word from a describe acting, like doing nothing, being with have any idea, like 멍. That's the 멍. 멍 때리다 means just being with 멍. When Sophia explained the Korean word, but someone listening like, then I said, 멍 때리지 마, listen. And when the holiday you sitting on the couch and doing nothing, and your friends call you, and what are you doing? Then you said, just 멍 때려.
멍 때려, 멍 때려. 그냥 멍 때려. 그냥 멍 때려.
Could you say that Korean using 때리다 is not only for a hit, but also act, right? 멍 때리다 means actually doing 멍. We use 때리다 in same way. 샌드위치 때리자. It means not hit the sandwich, it meaning just grab some sandwich. Or 영화 때리자. It means let's go to movie. 똥 때린다. It's really cute and silly expression. It's doing a poop. 똥 때리고 올게. I mean, I'll be right back after doing poop. It's really informal style. You never use this into the older or business talk. It's just using only really close friend, and it feels like a teenager word. We also saying this, 장난 똥 때리냐? It means, are you kidding like a shit? Okay, today's word is a 때리다. I'll give you a homework. Make a 3 sentence using a 때리다. Comment down. What's the next? If you like this video, please subscribe or like. See you next video.